welcome back to another video from Havoc. Today we're gonna see the new mines update in Animal Company. So first, we gotta get a crowbar and then a flashlight. Okay, now once we get that, we gotta go to the mines. Now I've heard there's been like different ores that we can get in different areas, maybe new entities. I heard there's a tarantula entity that is pretty hard to beat, so we're gonna see if we can face it. Oh, so we got copper. Wait, can we mine this? Oh, I got it. Wait, we can actually.
Bro, there's actually you can actually mine stuff.
Yeah. That's sick.
You can pick up the copper.
Yeah. I think there's better stuff. Wait, put it in your bag. Put it in your bag.
Put it. Oh, I'm holding the flashlight.
Oh, crap. It's dark in here.
Heck.
What is that? What is that?
What is that? It's coming.
That's another tarantula mob. We should stay away from that.
Mimics here too. Mimics here too.
Let's go mine a little bit more copper.
Mimics coming. Oh, is that gold?
Still might be copper. Get as much copper as we can.
Oh, I got copper.
Let's try to go kill at least the mimic. Oh, there's
I don't have
lava.
any weapon. Yeah, that's light work. If you play real attack, you can get past this easily. Oh heck no! Oh heck no! Oh heck no! What is that? Bro, they're all lined up.
What's that?
Yeah, it's eating.
What is that purple crystal? There's like purple and white crystals. Here, I think there's.
It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
Yeah, there's more to explore. Not this. We'll do this for another day. Let's go straight. See what happens. But I did see some white ore a little bit. So I don't think we should mine the copper anymore. I saw some like white ore.
Bro, if we get stuck in this maze, we're cooked.
What is this?
Don't know, but I don't want to go.
We should go. Oh, I found
White ore.
Oh crap, I fell down.
I'm dead.
I fell all the way down. You died?
No, I freaking glided. How did we get back up?
Oh, I don't know.
Is that
Hey,
still
look,
copper?
grab white ore.
I think it's diamonds.
No, there's no way it's not. Oh! No!
What?
Look at my watch. Look what I just got.
1K?
No. One of these purple crystals. We could actually get purple crystals from here. Wait, this is actually overpowered. This is a great way for grinding. Here, let's go in here.
Keep out.
We can't go in there. Let's try to go in here. Maybe. Danger.
Oh heck, I'm not trying to go in here, bro.
Here, it doesn't look that bad. Wait, what's over here? Oh! Gold! Gold!
Gold? Wait, hold on, check your watch.
I didn't get it. Oh, gold!
Yes, you did.
Oh! I just got gold. Wait, 4 more of this. Oh!
That's huge.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, can I try?
Yeah. Other way.
I got this. Ready? I cannot get up.
I didn't drop
Did
it.
you punch it?
Oh, that's a big piece.
Yo, I got like $100.
This is a great way for mining. Here, drop it.
Your crowbar?
Ouch. Let's go see what's over here. Maybe there's more.
I'm not going over there.
Hey, wait, there's purple shine. Oh, purple crystals.
Purple? I feel like this is a nest right here. Oh, check your watch.
I didn't get
got any.
anything. I think it's rare or something. Here, let's go. Should we go this way? This part looks scary.
For real. Oh crap, I'm actually scared. Why does company have to be so scary?
There's
I see a spider web.
There's a spider web. Nah, let's not go that way. I think we're in a
Why?
territory. Nah, we should go over here. Oh, more gold!
Your bucket.
Oh.
What is that? That's a spider.
Be ready to run.
I'm scared.
Run!
Sorry.
I made it! Oh, we gotta leave here. Wait, no, we're out of here. We need more people for this.
How do we get out?
This way.
It's coming.
No, we're out of the territory.
How do we get out?
Wait a minute. I have a theory. Oh! Yo!
I don't know.
Put it in your bag. You dummy. Why would you waste that good piece of gold?
I'm scared.
Let's go up. Made it.
How do you do it?
I fell. Oh, I made it back to this. Here's like.
I fell all the way down. I can't do it.
Me neither. Here, let's go on the closest one.
No, I can't make it up.
Let's go to this one.
Yeah, it's easier. We went up here.
Yeah.
Come on. Holy, bro, that was actually scary. I almost.
Are you sure we went this way?
Mimic. Hey, we got that on straps. You can hit it.
Wait. I remember something. When there's a mimic,
There's a spider.
we went the wrong way. We're lost.
No, it's over there.
Hopefully you're right.
I fell. You jump down. Jump all the way down. You made it around. Wait for me.
We didn't go this way either.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, we have gone this way.
No. Oh yeah, remember we were right here?
Yeah, we were here. Yeah, I see the eggs.
Go. I don't see the jump. Remember we did a jump?
No.
Is that the exit?
It's the exit.
Ow.
Let's go!
Holy,
made it out.
go run. I'm out of here. Holy, that was scary, bro.
Let's go see how much profit we made.
We had made like $10,000.
No way. We got a little bit of gold. That's the first time I've like.
A little bit of gold?
Yeah.
If I can get 3 gems, I could possibly.
Okay, let's see what the bank we got.
Dump it.
I can't.
Dump it.
I'm stuck.
Dump it.
Wait, where's your bag?
I dropped it.
Let's do it. Yo, that's insane. Well, thank you.
That's a hole.
Well, thank you guys for watching. And this is a great way to grind. This is like a really cool update. And see you. Peace out.